Dear viewers at home, welcome to season 3 of the Shia Voice. The show where dreams take center stage, talent knows no limits.
We have a range of auditions for you.
From laughter to tears, and each and every one of you should be very proud. I appreciate those of you who've come from far and wide.
Inspiring talents of our performers.
From lecturers to Quran reciters, poetry and many more.
Each performer will take to the stage to showcase their unique talents. Each of our judges will examine this. At the end of each night, we'll find out who is moving into the semi-finals.
It was really tough. Please do not take it in a difficult way. But there is only one who will go through from all of you.
I'm Ali Fadil.
And I'm Mullah Rashid Haidar.